Looking for trusted, affordable movers in Des Moines? Three Movers offers premium relocation services without the premium price. With over 20 years of experience, Three Movers helps residents and businesses relocate stress-free, locally, statewide, or nationwide. From full-service packing to secure storage and even vehicle transport, we handle it all with precision and care. Choose flat rate for simple jobs or go hourly for long hauls. Transparent quotes, no hidden fees. Need help with disassembly or delicate items like pianos or antiques? We specialize in handling valuables with attention to detail. Military relocation orders? We are proud to support our service members with timely, secure, and affordable moving options. Office move coming up? Our team works efficiently with your property manager for smooth transitions and minimal business downtime. Going global? We handle customs paperwork, logistics, and delivery so you can focus on your new life abroad. Need temporary storage during your move? Choose from secure pods, climate-controlled units, and more, all right here in Des Moines. With thousands of successful moves and a 95% plus satisfaction rate, you can count on us. We are licensed, insured, and trusted by Des Moines locals. Use our instant quote tool online. Get a fast, accurate estimate for your move in just minutes. Don't wait. Call now and move the right way with Three Movers, your local and long-distance experts in Des Moines.